Hey guys, how are you? Hope you're doing well. We are doing well here. As you know, this is a health channel with an arts and crafts angle to it. Here we make jewelry, we give out recipes, and we teach you how to have a good lifestyle. So we make cards, we make gift cards. So now, today, I'm going to make another recipe, another snack. So today, as you can see, I have here beetroot leaves. And I'm going to make a snack for these beetroot leaves. There are so many ways you can cook them. You can make juice, but today I'm going to make a snack out of them. Just a nice little fried snack. So now, so you have to sieve your flour first. It's self-raising flour. It's self-raising flour. They usually put in even fortified flour. They usually put for you all that you want in it. There's already baking powder in it. So I'm putting a little turmeric, a little nettle steam, a little cayenne, and a little Royco. And I'm putting in also a half a cube of Royco. This is a spice here in Kenya. Actually, it's almost like the other one, but the other one is powdered and this is cubed, is solidified and pressed together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little water. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just making a nice flour. And this flour, when you make it, it has to rest. These leaves are very good for iron. I'm making a little because I've already made some other that's already rested. So you can add in anything you want. Here is sunflower flour. I can add in a little. So this flour is good the way you see it like this. So this is it. So what you're going to do, because I had already made some before, and it has already rested. This one I'm going to keep it. It also rests. And when this flour rests, it thickens a bit more. See, it's thickened a bit more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch on my cooker. So I'm going to switch, I've switched on my cooker now. This is a very simple snack to make. Actually, you're going to have even a part B. You're going to have a part B You're going to have a part B on this so that I can show you how many foods you can deep fry and eat and have as a snack. Healthy ones. So as I wait for this oil to cook up, I'm going to just to put some little Royco on these leaves. And just mix it up. This is just to make them flavorful. Already there is Royco there, but now we need also some Royco on the leaves. This is a very, very good snack for people who have iron problems, people who are anemic. So these stalks, I'll use them elsewhere. So we are just waiting for the oil to heat. It needs to be hot enough, not too hot and not too it needs to have a nice heat to it so that they don't burn. I think it's heated enough. So I'm going to dip the front and the back. So I'll let some fall off. And then I'll put here. Let me move the cooker here so that you can see how it's cooking. Because we have to share the space. I'm telling you, this is a snack you won't even believe. I shouldn't have put this fourth one. I should have left them at 3. So we're just waiting for them to, and they should be crispy, very crispy. So this first one is ready. Make sure that you leave a stem on it to use it for holding, so that all the oil drips out. So if you leave a stem on it and then you use the stem to shake out the oil, the extra oil, it will be nice. So this is a snack, a treat. Don't make it a habit. This is a healthy treat, but don't make it a habit. Also use good oil. You need to have different types of snacks for yourself, healthy ones. This is so good. It tastes so good, guys. It tastes so good. All we are using here is healthy. You know, sometimes when I don't explain so much, you usually get that the ingredient I'm using on that day or the product I'm using on that day, we've already done a video on it. So once you understand the value and benefits and properties of an ingredient, I usually come back just to give you recipes. Just look at that. You can even make this for kids, but don't put in cayenne if it's for kids. Don't put in cayenne, please. If it's for kids, don't put in cayenne. So we are done with that part. This video will have a part 2. And in that part 2, I'm going to show you what else you can fry. That's why I told you don't only snack on one thing. You can have different recipes. Make sure that you leave the stem on, a bit of the stem, so that you can use it to hold it down. And shake it off. Shake all the oils off. Guys, the other time the electricity went off on me when I was blending, almost blending. So I'm praying that this time it doesn't go off. So I'll use both my hands as I switch off. You see the good thing when you leave some stem on it, you use that stem. Now, some advice to you: when you're making this snack, just make enough of them so that you can eat and finish them. So now let me remove this cooker. So here they are. They taste better when they are hot. Don't wait for them to become cold. So now I'm moving on to part, not really part B, but now I'm going to make something that you can take with this snack. Okay, so now let's put this aside for now. And now let's move to, let's get something we can take with it. Let me clean the board. So it's the board. My board is somehow stained, but I'll clean it up. When I come back next time, I'll have cleaned it up. I'll give you a tip on how to clean it. Now I want us to make some juice. You see what we have? So now, what I'm going to do, so I do not want to, don't be throwing away this skin. This skin can be used in many ways. You can just boil it and drink it the way it is, like that. Let's make some juice. Let me put in some blueberries. Let me put in half a tomato. Tomatoes are good, guys. If you have UTIs, tomatoes are very good for you, for urinary tract infections. In fact, eating them is very good, but there are some people who are allergic to them. So you should know where you belong. If you are allergic to them, don't put. You can leave them out. So this purple, these seeds are very, very good for deworming. This is not the best way to cut. But I don't know any other way. This is the best way I can do it. Okay, now remove everything out of the way. Just a little, not a lot. Let's see whether it will agree to blend. I'm done blending. Nope, let me use this other glass. Our dates must be there. Our dates must be there. So now I called this, let me mix it first. I called it a juice, but it's in between a juice and a smoothie, so I don't know if it's a smoothie or something. So that's our smoothie. Blueberry smoothie. With watermelon in it. Some tomato. Don't always be making just one smoothie. You need really to add so many things in your juices or your smoothies. So now, here they are. So I'm just going to pick them and serve them here. Do you believe that that's a very good breakfast or a snack? If you're trying to check your weight or something, this is a very good breakfast. Make sure you use the right oil. Make sure you have to put them on a tissue so that all the oil comes out. And then make sure that you accompany it with a very good juice or a smoothie or good kachumbari or salsa. So for the people who have bumped here for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Here we live a healthy life. We give out recipes to you guys. We make cards, we make gift cards here. We teach you how you can start a small business. Here we also make our own detergents. Guys, please subscribe, put a thumbs up, comment below, and even like. For the people who have been with us all this time, thank you so much for staying with us here. Please put a thumbs up for this one, like it, and also put a comment. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye.